guys, welcome back to another episode. We got ourselves a Dasai Mochi 2, and we're here at Omega. You have no idea what this is, right?
Yeah, I really don't know what it is, but I like it.
Yeah, so it's essentially a little miniature helmet guy that sits on your dash. Now, we actually got this, it was on a pre-order, and we got lucky with it. Today we'll be unboxing and showing you exactly what it's all about. All right, so this here's our packaging. Got some like Japanese letters, and I'm not exactly sure what it says, but it says Dasai, so let's open it up. We got a little user manual there, Mochi character right there as well, a little helmet.
Yeah, a little helmet guy.
It's designed to like mount onto your dash. It's got a speaker on the back, you can see right there, and a USB-C port, and then just a helmet with the face. Want to hold that guy? We got some mounting stickers, which is a Velcro, and then a USB-C to USB-B cable. Mochi Mochi, it says. Oh, look at that. It's got a little animated character face.
He's cute. He's cute.
But yeah, it's designed to be just a passenger ride-on with you. It's called Mochi. Now, you can also go ahead and swap out the helmets, which they sell online, and they have different variations. But yeah, it's pretty cool. And if you had, yep, it's got like a little police siren going on.
Oh, that's cool.
So
yeah, the animations are really
yeah, so definitely really smooth. They got a lot of nice pixels. I love the casing of it. I think it's actually really unique. And yeah, with that said, if you guys had any questions about our little Mochi character, comment down below. Otherwise, see you in the next episode.